Now my fresh aloe vera gel is ready. It's time to apply it to my hair. But let me tell you why I'm using aloe vera as a pre-poo before wash day. So as you all can see, I have made the aloe vera gel, which is in my former post. You can do what, check it out. So I'm just going to be squeezing out the gel and everything is ready. So I'm going to apply, and before I apply it on my hair, I'm going to be taking down my braids. I always use this satin packer to hold my hair, and I will taking down the braids little by little. After I've taken it down, I'll apply the aloe vera on my hair. I'm applying the aloe vera directly to my hair, making sure I walk through each section by section. Aloe vera is a great natural ingredient for adding moisture and helping the hair feel soft and more manageable. As a pre-poo, I am using it before wash shampooing to help prepare my hair for wash day and make the detangling process easy, even though I'm not going to be detangling my hair because my hair is on braids. But when you use this on your afro hair, it makes detangling very easy. I also love how fresh and lightweight aloe vera gel makes my hair feels. Alright, besties. So this is me rubbing it all over my hair, making sure that all the aloe vera gel is equally coated on my hair. And after this, I will be sitting on a heat cap so that the aloe vera can penetrate my hair much more. Okay, sitting on a heat cap is really good for any deep condition or pre-poo you are doing on your hair. It helps, the heat helps to penetrate the ingredient very well on your hair. So that's what I'll be doing. So after I have rubbed this all over my hair, I'll be using this nylon bag. As you can see, if you have a shower cap, you can do that. So I'm using this disposable bag to tighten and to trap everything that I have applied on my hair so that it does not fall off. So I hope you enjoy this particular video. Let me know if you'll be trying this aloe vera pre-poo, or have you tried aloe vera pre-poo on your 4C hair before, or 4B hair, or any hair texture that you are rocking. All right, so this is my heat cap. Or like call it steaming cap that I'll be using. So I'm going to sit on this for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is enough for me to get the aloe vera penetrated into my hair strand. So love, I'll be showing you guys at the ending how my hair felt, and I'll also be taking you guys in the next clip. You see, I'll be taking you guys in how I am going to be washing my hair. So this is one thing I love to implement on my wash day routine, which is really beneficial for your 4C hair if you're trying to grow your hair. So 30 minutes is over, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair felt super amazing. Okay, my hair felt super fully coated. Have you ever used aloe vera gel as a pre-poo? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next step when I'll be washing this out of my hair.